Welcome back to Women in Construction, where we celebrate and highlight incredible women in the construction industry. I'm Sam, and I'm joined by my co-host, Janan.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into Women in Construction Week. It's a time to recognize and honor the achievements of women in this traditionally male-dominated field.
Absolutely. And Women in Construction Week not just celebrates women who are already making waves in the industry, but also inspiring and encouraging more women to consider careers in the construction industry.
Yeah, that's a really important point of this week, right? Showcasing the diverse talents and skills that women bring to the construction industry, from project management and engineering to all of the trades. By highlighting these contributions, really understanding them, we can break down stereotypes. We can show that construction really is a field where anyone can and should thrive.
Absolutely. And I think diversity in the workplace also pushes this industry forward, being able to have a mix of perspectives and experiences, backgrounds. It's going to lead to better decision-making, innovation, and just pushing this industry forward long term.
Yeah, celebrating women in construction, and this week goes beyond just recognition, right? Hopefully it's showing that more inclusive, welcoming environments are being established for everyone in pursuing this dynamic field, shining the spotlight on trailblazers. We can really inspire future generations and ignite their passion for construction and really start to build the field.
Absolutely. And I think it's important to recognize that we are underrepresented in the industry. We only make up about 11% of construction workers. We're also more susceptible to hostile work environment where we can experience that harassment at work. Also, just ill-fitting safety equipment. Just historically, we have ill-fitting PPE equipment, and it's really designed for men in mind. Luckily, we have seen a lot of companies come up with women in mind for safety equipment, which is great.
I mean, there are a lot of challenges. We like to reframe challenges as opportunities, right? So with all of these challenges in mind, these are posing opportunities for companies to really step up to the plate, right? And be proactive about growing and retaining women in this industry, starting with just acknowledging the need for change. So we just take a look at ourselves and say, hey, it's time. Let's start having the conversations. Let's start seeing what we can do with our business culture and policies to promote inclusivity and diversity. We can focus through our recruiting efforts, right? Bring women into the hiring process, participate in fairs and job trade conferences that focus on attracting women. You brought up, the safety equipment. So building a safe, welcoming, and healthy job site. That's one of our tenets here at Align, is supporting, healthy, safe workplaces for everyone, right? So how do we encourage that communication and making sure that we've got that environment that's supportive for women? And then, as you've called out a couple of times, just providing that diversity and inclusion promotion in everything that you do, and making sure that there's growth opportunities, educational opportunities across the board for everyone, so that it becomes just part of how you do things.
So I think that's definitely a big reason why we should really amplify Women in Construction Week. It's a good opportunity for us to highlight those amazing women, and just encourage each other to support each other and find allies in this industry to push women forward.
Yeah. Well, we hope everyone's doing something interesting and exciting to celebrate women in construction this week. If you're doing something interesting, you want to share it with us and our audience, we'd love to hear about it. We're also working on our next episode. So we've got it scheduled on the books, and we're bringing back a guest. So that'll be fun. She's got an interesting story to tell, and I think we're all going to be inspired.
Can't wait. Looking forward to it, Janan. Thanks again for our first podcast of the year.
Yeah. Happy Women in Construction Week, Sam.
Yes. Happy Women in Construction Week.